Cursor versus Bolt versus Lovable. Which AI tool wins in 2025? Cursor is the coder's dream, if you like GitHub Copilot but wish it was smarter. Built on top of VS Code, Cursor enhances your coding workflow with deeper AI integration, refactors, doc generation, bug fixes, all in a more collaborative way. Bolt. It is a lightning fast AI IDE focused on coding. It's especially loved by developers who want an all in one terminal, code editor, and AI copilot experience. Think of it like VS Code supercharged with AI features built natively. It's blazing fast, supports local or remote models, and feels engineered for serious productivity. Lovable is a sleek AI workplace built for writer, creators, and solo operators. It blends document, tasks, and chat into one fluid interface, making it ideal for people who like Notion style apps but with smarter, more assistive AI. It's warm, personal, and designed to feel more like creative companion than just a tool. Now let's talk about which one is the best. In 2025, using Cursor would be the best choice. It strikes the best balance of usability, performance, and practical AI power for most people.